Okay guys, we're back at the garage working on the Galant. The last video you will see before this one is obviously when I just got it tuned. After I did some pulls coming home, I pulled up into my driveway and the coolant reservoir was overfilling. Hence, it was the second time it's done it. It was a blown head gasket. It ended up being, which I'm 95% positive that I did that previously when I had it on 91, because I did pre-det a couple times, so it wasn't the newest tune on it that caused it. But I got a head gasket the following day, took it back to my friend, so we'll see how it does. It ran fine, it's running fine. We double checked the tune. Everything's good. New head gasket. The alternator, that day that we were tuning, I launched the car and I broke something in the alternator, so had to go get another one. Last one lasted about, oh, I don't know, less than 150 miles. So now I have another one. I'm about to put it back on. But we'll see what it does at the track. By the time you see this video, the streetcar takeover event is tomorrow, so who knows how long it's going to take me to get this video up. So today's January 26th, the event's on January 27th, and that's about it. We'll see what it does. I got to change the oil out right now and put the alternator on, and it's ready for tomorrow. Let's see what it can do. Also, for those that might be interested, I plan on buying a built motor very soon. That's already done, revs to 9,000. The same guy that put my car together, the same guy that's tuned the car, and the same person that made the turbo kit. He has a built motor that he would use for less than, I don't know, 5,000 miles, if that, and I might buy it. So this motor, turbo, injectors, and wastegate might be for sale sometime in March, and the intake manifold I won't be keeping, so that might be also included. But if you're really interested, you're about to see what this motor can do on E85. The injectors are pretty much maxed, but it's still very safe. It's still safe where everything's at right now. But you'll see the numbers. If you're concerned about the head gasket, you will see videos of me still racing it until I pull the trigger on the built motor and go with the bigger turbo and all that good stuff. So if you're interested, comment below. I post these videos on Facebook, so I'm sure you can track me down. But don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it. If you know anyone that might be interested in this motor, let me know. But alright guys, I hope to break into the 11s. We'll see what happens with it.